Are you coloring, Bee?
Green and orange.
You're very good. That is green and orange.
Yeah. Orange, green.
Yeah. Good job. Are you going to color some more? Ooh, that's a nice circle.
A blue one.
Yeah, you're right. That is blue. Blue circle.
And yellow.
Yellow? Oh wait, you gotta put the crayon on the bottom. There you go. Yeah. There, that's better. Good job. Nice, Bee.
And crayon.
Yeah.
And yellow.
What color is that?
And orange.
Good job.
And blue. Yeah.
Blue? Or is that green?
Green.